Introducing the Swift Current Portable Spa from Canadian Spa, a luxury portable spa. First, take all the spa components out of the box and check your instruction manual that all the following key components are present. The spa base liner, spa liner with 3 connectors and spa cover, 8 foam wall segments, foam base in 2 halves, thermal blanket, inflation hose, control unit and manual pack. Lay out your spa base liner on a clean level area more than 2.5 meters square and capable of supporting a weight of more than 300 kilograms per square meter. Add the foam wall segment with the 3 holes in it into the base liner. Ensure that the 3 holes of the foam align with the outlet holes in the liner. Now start adding the other foam segments. Adjusting the 8 segments until they form a perfect round shape. Before continuing, double check that the outlet holes in the foam are still aligned with the liner. Now add the 2 foam bases and ensure that the foam walls are flush. Add the spa liner so that the 3 connector pipes roughly line up with the liner outlet holes. You may find this easier if you have a second person to help you. Please make sure that the top zip tracks align before smoothing out the liner. Now you can pull the 3 connector pipes through the liner outlet holes. Smooth the liner again all around the spa to ensure a good fit. Locate the point where both the zip fasteners are aligned. Connect and start zipping both liners together. Now you can position the control unit next to the spa connectors in readiness for inflating the spa cover. Lay out the spa cover. Attach the inflation hose to the inflation port of the control unit. Attach the other end to the inflation port on the spa cover, then press the massage button on the control unit to inflate the spa cover. When fully inflated, press the massage button again to stop the inflation. And lastly, replace the spa cover inflation cap. Flip the spa cover over and attach the locking straps. Detach the inflation hose from the control unit and then screw on the 3 spa connectors to the control unit. Now add a garden hose and fill the spa with water. Set the desired temperature on the control unit with the up and down arrows and then press the heater button to begin heating. When the desired temperature is reached, you're now ready to enjoy your Swift Current portable spa. If desired, you can also purchase a hardtop cover for this spa, attached as shown.